In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho People app for employees. Once you are signed in to the Zoho People app, you will mainly use 4 areas for everyday tasks: attendance, leave tracker, timesheet, and your personal profile under self-service. I will walk you through each one so you know exactly where to go and what to tap. First, go to attendance. This is where you record your workday. Inside attendance, you will see options to check in or check out. When you start your shift, select Check In to log your start time. When you finish for the day, return to the same place and select Check Out. Try to make it a habit to do this right when you arrive and right when you leave, since accurate attendance helps keep your time records clean and avoids corrections later. Next, go to Leave Tracker. This section is for requesting time off, like vacation, sick leave, or other approved leave types that your organization uses. In Leave Tracker, choose the option to add a leave request. Then enter the dates you need, confirm the leave type, and submit the request. If your company requires details, add a short, clear note so your approver understands the request. After submitting, you can return here to monitor the status of your request so you know whether it is pending, approved, or needs changes. After that, open Timesheet. In Timesheet, go into Time Logs. This is where you record the hours you worked, often connected to a date, project, or task depending on your setup. Tap the plus sign or Add to create a new time log. Fill in the required details and save. Logging time consistently, ideally the same day you worked, helps keep your timesheet accurate and makes approvals faster. Finally, for personal data, go to Self-Service and then My Profile. This is your employee profile page. Review your personal information and make sure it is up to date. If you notice anything incorrect, follow your company process for updating details or submit changes if the app allows it. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.